Internal styles. Internal styles are usually embedded in the head section of the HTML document and they are defined using the style tag. Let's see the example. See, we already write an inline style. Now I am going to write internal style. See, inside the head section, type style tag. Inside this, going to write body, background, yellow. Save the file and refresh the browser. It will not work. See, it is not working. Do you know why? Because see here, previous section we write the inline style. Inline style override this. I deleted this. Now it will work. Refresh the browser. See, fine. Do you know what is the purpose of inline style? If you want to override the internal or external style, you can use inline style. We cannot write like this because in real world application hundreds or thousands of lines will come. That time if we write inline style, it's not readable. So internal or external style sheet is better. H1 selector. I just cut and paste it here. This is no need. Less. Same. It will work fine. So if you want to override this H1 color, you can use inline style. Already it is in blue background, so I'll write white color or hash triple of hex code. It will be overwritten. I will add one more rule. Text align center. Save the file, refresh it. See, it is working fine. Now you can understand what is the purpose of inline and internal styles. How to add this internal style if you have more than one HTML page. For example, home, about, service. You need to add this style to this page header section. If you want to change the background color, you need to edit all these pages. The solution for multiple page style is external style. That will be next video.